please get on the bus.
Please choose a seat for me.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
I've picked up Lulu. The next stop is the supermarket. Let's go.
The barrier can only be lifted after completing the puzzle.
This is the supermarket. The teacher said you need to buy some things and take them to the kindergarten.
Let's buy some new stationery and a school bag. Welcome.
Choose a shopping cart. Next, let's go buy what we need together. School bag. School bag. Yes, that's it. Notebook. Pencil box. Towel. Water bottle. Put the money into the coin slot.
I've bought everything I need. Thank you. I've bought everything I need. Let's get on the bus. Hello, baby bus.
Hello, Hank. Please get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt. This is the photo studio. The teacher said you need to take a photo and take it to the kindergarten.
Let's go take a photo.
Welcome.
We want to take some pretty pictures.
All right, let's go change clothes first.
There's lots of pretty clothes. Which one should I wear? Tap the camera to take a picture.
What a nice picture.
Thanks. These clothes are pretty nice. Please help me try them on. Tap the camera to take a picture of me.
That's a nice shot.
Thanks. I've taken the photo. Let's go. Hello, baby bus.
Kiki, please get on the bus.
Please choose a seat for me.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
I've picked up Kiki. Let's go and pick up the next kid.
The bus is a little dirty. Please help me wash and clean it up. Welcome to the car wash. Let's clean the car. First, drag the water sprayer to rinse off the mud. Tap the button to spray the cleaning fluid. Scrub the car clean. Now rinse off the foam. The car is clean. You are like an expert.
Baby bus, go!
Hello, baby bus.
Hello, Mew Mew. Please get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
I've picked up all the kids. The next stop is the hospital.